Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with another great internship opportunity. And this time I brought an internship for software engineering students. So if you are a software engineering student or a fresher, this internship can be very important for you. This internship is going to be from JP Morgan Chase and Company. After completing this internship, you will also get a certificate that you can add to your resume. I'm going to tell you everything: how to apply, who is eligible, what skills you will learn, which platform you will use, and what tasks you will do. Every single detail in this one video. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such upcoming updates. So let's start this video. You can complete this internship in 4 to 5 hours, totally depending on you. So how does it work? You will get complete guidance for the tasks you have to complete. You will also get pre-recorded videos with answers and examples from the JP Morgan team itself. After completing the internship, you will receive a certificate which you can add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. Now, let's see what tasks you'll do in this internship. You have 5 main tasks in this internship. The first task is related to project setup, which you can complete in 30 to 60 minutes. The second task is about integrating a Spring application, also in about 30 to 60 minutes. Task 3 is related to H2 integration. Task 4 is related to REST API integration. And the last task, task 5, is where you'll expose a REST API and Spring application. So these are the 5 main tasks, and you can complete this entire internship in around 5 hours with proper answers. Now, how to apply? Simply scroll to the top. You can see the option Start Free Program. Click on it and you will be redirected to the main page. Here, just log in using your email ID, and as soon as you log in, your internship will start. So guys, I hope you got all the basic details about this internship. Still, if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such internship and job related updates. So guys, see you in the next video.